Hi friends, welcome. And today I'm here with Mi Bluetooth headset basic, just to give you an overview and connect it to my mobile and just show you how it works and initial impressions about this. So I just ordered this yesterday from Amazon. As you see over here, the MRP quoted for this price is 999. Okay, I got it for 899 rupees on a normal day. There was no sale or anything. So I just got it yesterday and thought of doing a video for you just to show you its initial impressions and a quick setup. So here you see the box is minimalistic. It comes in a plastic box. The headset is over here. It's kind of a not usual shape and I would not recommend this for everyone. I'll let you know why. Okay, on the sides we don't have anything. On the back we have the normal uh, details which are there on any retail box. Then here we see that the model number, the battery. The battery is a lithium ion polymer battery at an input of 5 volts at 200 milliamperes. The standby time is 70 hours. That's something I will need to check. Wireless connection is Bluetooth 4.1 and it has a battery capacity of 50 mAh. Talk time it says 3.5 hours. Charge time is 2 hours for 50 mAh. So you might think why this is so, but since it has different type of circuitry, so I think that would be the reason for this charge time of 2 hours even for 50 mAh battery. And the communication range is 10 meters. That's usually for any Bluetooth device, standard 10 meters. So let's go and unbox this. Here we come out with the box. First of all comes is the Bluetooth headset. Let's open this. I think we'll have to put it in this way. Let's see what are the contents of the box. First of all, we get a flat type of USB cable. That's a bit small. Over here there's a micro USB cable over here, as you see. Let's keep this aside. Sorry. Next, I think these are some extra earbuds which we normally get with earphones to suit your size. This looks like the small and this might be the medium or large. Next, out of the box, okay, let's remove it in this way. Okay, so this is the headset itself. Let's come to it later. And I think we get something else in the box. That are some manuals. The packing is done in a tricky way. Okay, here it is. So this is a small manual of how to set it up. As you see over here, sorry, it says that select your right size, what are the controls over here and everything, and how to adjust to your ear, how to pair and all such normal guides. Okay, so let's come to the headphone itself. Now this is a device in a solid cylindrical kind of shape over here. As you see over here, you got the earbud. This button is to receive and stop calls, end calls. This is the volume up and down button. This is the LED notification over here. Okay, and here is the charging port for micro USB. Now I also got to know that you can also play or pause music with this. So let's see. First of all, I would say that if for my personal use, I would not prefer this because this is a long cylindrical kind of tube kind of thing, which I would not put on my ears. But at the same time, the build quality of this is just fantastic. For 899, I feel we can get something else instead of this, a smaller one. But the build quality of this is too good. As you know that MI always gets some good products in the market, and you can see the branding over here in a faint colors. So now let's go ahead and let's pair it with my Samsung Galaxy Note 5, which I have. Let me just press and hold this until we get the pairing request. Let me just start with this. Okay, so the light is blinking heavily, so let's see. I think let's ready for pairing. Okay, as you see over here, no, this is a device which I had paired before, which I have at my home. Yeah, over here you get MI Bluetooth headset basic. So let's tap on this and let's. Okay, so it's connected and it says connected for call and media audio. Let's go ahead and play something on YouTube. Let's play. Okay. What I'll try to do is I'll just keep this near the microphone, so if maybe we can record. So I've just kept this near the microphone. In the video, I'll just see if you can hear the sound. I'm just moving it to all sides of the phone over here. So what? Let's try to press this button. Let's see if it gets paused. Yes. So if you press this button over here, it will play and it will pause. So the same works for calling, I suppose. Let's try to call a Vodafone customer care. It says it's connected to Bluetooth over here. Okay, so now let's try to press this button and let's end the call. Oh yes, there it works. So I think that's fine with this. Now regarding the audio quality of this, I'll have to check this because since I've received this yesterday only, I won't be able to commit anything on this. I'll have to use it as a daily driver maybe, and then I can post my comments to you in the video section. I'll just try using it now. One more thing I would like to tell you that this is not so comfortable on my ears. Maybe since I have not changed the buds, it would be the reason. But initially, I think not suited for everyone. It would be for someone who would like to take endless calls all the day. At the same time, is not bothered about actually if he's using a cylindrical tube or a small thing. But this is mainly for calls because to hear audio from one side would not be so suggested by anyone anytime. So what I'll do is I'll just check out this and I'll be back with you. Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, and until I come back. Bye bye.